Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine. If this is your first time here, today I'm going to be doing just a soft glam neutral look that I've been doing a lot. And if you want to see how I got it, just keep watching. Y'all let me know if you guys want to see any vlogs because I have so many like different content ideas that I want to post, but I just want to know if you guys want to see them before I post them. So let me know down in the comments. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe. So jumping straight into the video, I'm just filling her brows in like I do with my favorite pencil, the Benefit Cosmetic Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4. And I'm just lightly filling them in and doing hair-like strokes with this pencil. And then I'm going to be concealing the bottom half of her brow with the Toofaced concealer. And then I mixed in a little of the Juvias Place number 13 because the maple is kind of orange and the Juvias Place undertone is kind of yellow. So I just wanted to, like, you know, just get an even balance because when I look at her skin, I see a yellow undertone, but I also see a little orange. So I took those same concealers and placed them on her lid to prime her lid for eyeshadow. And if you look in the inner corner of her brow, I placed that darker shade there just to like balance everything out. I don't really like the brow area to be, you know, too bright. So that's why that color is there, to just even everything out in the front of her brows. So I'm taking the Dose of Colors palette, and this is the shade Churro. And I'm just adding this shade into her. I'm literally only using 2 shades, y'all. So this is a very easy look. And I'm just literally packing that color on and blending it out to my liking and just diffusing it all out. And then I'm taking the color Churro in the Dose of Color palette and just placing that on her lid. Now this is making it soft glam, and a lot of my clients have been requesting this neutral tone look because, baby, makeup is just, it's becoming soft glam. That's it, soft glam. It's the soft glam for me. So I'm taking that same eyeshadow brush and just diffusing everything, reinforcing everything together. And I'm cleaning off her mink eyelashes. This look was so easy and so fast. I think I did her some liner and just smudged it out. So I'm taking the Makeup Revolution foundation in F13 because remember I told you guys she has like an undertone that's kind of yellow, kind of orange. So what I'm doing is taking a yellow base foundation and putting it on the inner part of her face, and on the outside of her face I'm taking the Milani Scream Queen foundation in 480 and putting that on the outside of her face and just meshing everything together to get a perfect color. As a makeup artist, sometimes you're gonna have to do that a lot. So just, you know, be prepared for that. And I'm going to also be listing some of the brushes and stuff that I've been using because I've noticed I haven't been doing that. And check the description box for the items as well, and I'll have a link to them. So this is the same concealer that I use under her brows, the Juvias Place number 13 and the Toofaced in Maple. And I'm just blending everything out very seamlessly. And the cream contour shade that I used on her is Makeup Revolution C16. This is the Wet n Wild blush brush. This is a very good brush, and I've had this brush for years. I have like 5 of them in my kit, and I never really touched them, but I just bought them when I first started doing makeup. But I never touched them because in the beginning I never used blush, so I just was like, why do I have this? So if you have something in your kit and you don't find a purpose for it at the moment, do not throw it away because on down the line you will find a purpose for it. And this is an amazing sponge. It's only $5. This is the e.l.f. Camo sponge, and baby, if you see it, get 3, okay? Get 3 because I'm gonna get 3 every time I see it. This is the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just using this to set all of those places that I highlighted. Y'all, I really thought about doing Vlogmas, but I don't know. I kind of think I let fear get the best of me, but I'm finna be posting them vlogs. So I hope y'all watch. I hope y'all support, because I want to add like different content on my channel for you guys, and not just, you know, I'm gonna still do the makeup tutorials, don't get me wrong, but I just want to add in different stuff. So I'm doing a kind of reverse contour. I've done this a few times as well. And I'm just taking a little of the translucent powder and doing a reverse contour on each side. And I'm still using my handy dandy Fenty Beauty in Cocoa Naughty. And this brush that I'm using is a Real Technique brush that I've had for a long time, but I never knew the purpose for it. So, yep, I'm glad I didn't like throw it away or anything. And this brush that I'm using to like just finish off her nose contour, that brush I got in a set on Amazon, y'all. A lot of those brushes that I'm using, like as far as the eyes, I got those off Amazon when I first started doing makeup, and I tried to go back and find them, but you know how Amazon is, like the sellers will, you know, just stop selling them. So I'm just wiping away all of the powder and kind of like meshing it into her skin. And this is actually her lip combo that she brought to me. I really have to start being a little more precise with the lips, because I be moving so fast. But it's like, I know how to make it look good in the end and like mesh it all together. But yeah, this is the Chestnut lip liner by MAC, and this is their lip gloss. I think it's Laced Up. If not, check the description box and I'll have the correct shade, because I'm going to look it up before I upload this video. And I just went in and just kind of added more and more, you know, as much as I felt like she needed. Because she said this is her favorite lip combo, and I like it. And I think my camera cut off, but I went in and added some white liner in her waterline. I added some blush, and then I added a little highlight to her nose. That's Laura Geller highlighter. And then I set her face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that is the completed look, y'all. Like, stay around to the end, because y'all know I got my clients that I did for the week at the end. So make sure y'all stay to the end, and thank you guys so much for watching. And let me know if you guys want to see that other content that I'm talking about. Like, I got some content. I'ma still post it anyways, but let me know if y'all want to see it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm not saying I don't have problems. I got way too many for you to count. I'm just saying I'm good at solving them. I will never let it get between you and I. Things I do for you, you my Gemini. I'm just trying to be a Leo for you there like every night. Yeah, every night. Hey. We could just straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We got options, we got nowhere to be. If I'm with you, girl, that's alright with me. We got options.